Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the farm. We are getting ready for winter. I know it's still the middle of summer, but we always are getting ready for winter here. So today, what I wanted to show you was the new battery setup. So I don't know if I've shown you this before, but this is the inverter that I use to power my outdoor wood burner stove. And I've always had at least 3 batteries, inexpensive car batteries, tied to it, which will keep that pump going and that fire going for probably about 36 hours. Now, that does not power any other heat. Yeah, I got a mess in here. Don't worry, that's another project. You'll see that later. But that does not power the heat, that just keeps that fire going. With the radiant floor that I'm putting in, which is what this stuff is all about, and this stuff, I can hook that pump up as well as the pump that does the main circulatory system. I'll do a whole drawing on that later. That's another video entirely. And then with this inverter, I should be able to keep the heat on in the house and that fire going for 36 to 48 hours. No issue. So if I'm at work and we lose power, I still have heat. I don't have to worry about any of my pipes freezing. That's what the whole goal of this is. What I've done is I've added all of the batteries for all of the tractors that I don't use in the summer. So I've got to move that stuff right there and then put another battery there, and then once I get rid of that, I can put my last battery there, and then I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batteries on top of these 9 batteries, or these 3 batteries for 9 batteries, that I can all hook up either all together, or like I have now, I have 3 hooked up and I can hook 3 up and then 3 others hook up, and I can add more. These are just heavy duty jumper cables that I added in that I can then just add up and just swap over to other batteries for if we have a prolonged outage. And now I do have a generator, and when I do kick the generator on, this sees the generator and draws power from the generator to charge these batteries. The issue is it sees 1 big battery, not 3 batteries. So that's where this charger comes in to play. I can now charge all of these batteries. This sees 2 separate batteries. So it will, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you guys have better ones, let me know, but this one was inexpensive and it's worked quite well. I got it from Tractor Supply, but I'm sure you could find better ones elsewhere. But it sees 2 separate batteries, so I can charge all of these batteries either together as one with this thing, or separate 2 at a time, and I can swap those over while I'm charging these separately. So at all times I can have at least 3 batteries keeping the house water warm. That's the outdoor furnace, and now it's going to be the radiant floor once I finish installing that, which I got the struts in. I'm about to add the pipes, and then I'll do a video on that later. Obviously I've got some neatening up of my wires to do, but I wanted to get it up, get it working, test it, make sure everything works, and then I neaten up afterwards. So now this is actually for the furnace itself, because I don't want that pump running, because I had some maintenance to do while I added in and swapped over for my radiant hot floor heating. So yes, and on top of that, I'm doing all the hay and all the wood. So it's a busy summer right now. If you guys have any updates or things that you think would help this backup battery storage, let me know in the description, or let me know in the comments. If you guys like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now this can also just power like lights. So I've got 2 plugs. This one is going to the wood furnace and that pump. Another one is going to go just to the radiant floor heating pump. But I could also extend that out and do another one so I just have some emergency lights down here. That's a good idea. Never stop improving. So I think I'll do that as well. Or I can just add that in. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll come up with a way and do that and do an update video once I got all this neatened up and ready to go. But I just wanted to show you that in case you guys were pondering and working on similar projects. That way you can build on this idea and then let me know about your ideas and I can build on that some more as well. And that's how we improve society. So, until next time, have a good one and stay safe.